Hello guys, today I will show you how to make your own crypto coin under $5 budget. First, go to remixethereum.org. Link in the description. You will first need some BNB to start. I have $3. First, make a new file. Name it whatever you want. .sol. Paste this code from the description and only change the supply, name, and symbol. That is the total supply. How much tokens you want to be in existence? It will have 20 million total supply. Then that is the name of the coin. I will name it mayonnaise. And that is the symbol. Its symbol will be mayo. After you are done, go to Solidity Compiler in the right. Select the 0.8.2 version that we use here. Then compile. It will take some time. When it's done, it will show 2 warnings. But don't worry, it is gonna work. Then go to Deploy. Select Connect Wallet. Then connect your wallet. I am using MetaMask. Go to your phone and scan the QR code and authorize. After you connected your wallet, click on Deploy again. On your phone, you will have a pop-up. You will have to pay the gas fee. After clicking Confirm, you are done. You signed a contract in the BNB blockchain. After that, click the arrow down button on the token under the deployed contracts, and then click on Transfer Text box. Then you can paste your BNB address. I'm just going to copy my address from here. Then type a comma, then space, then you can specify the amount. It should be the same way I did it. I am also going to copy the max amount we specified. Click the arrow down button again and transfer. Then you can confirm the transaction. It's going to take less than a cent in fee. If you don't see your coin in MetaMask, just copy your address, paste it here in BSC scan. And click here. And click here. And copy this. And import it into MetaMask.